Hello and welcome to Infogosomia channel. How are you? I hope all of you are good and you're seeing and watching our Infogosomia channel. People who are watching Infogosomia channel first time, to them I want to tell you Infogosomia channel is a spiritual channel where we learn Hindu culture, Stotra Mantra Granth Pathanas, we keep visiting spiritual places and we keep learning spiritual healing. So friends, if you're watching this channel first time, try to see today's complete video and try to see other videos of Infogosomia channel. And if you find Infogosomia channel's information useful and life changing, then please like, share and subscribe Infogosomia channel. And keep checking everyday's notifications by clicking on bell icon. So friends, let's go ahead with today's discussion. Today we're gonna learn one powerful manifestation of Sri Swami Samartha Maharaj. Yes, on 10th of July 2025, there is a Guru Purnima. Yes, Guru Pushamrit Purnima is there on 10th of July 2025, to which we call it as a Guru Purnima. Yes. To all of us who are devotees of Sri Swami Samartha Maharaj or Sri Datta Guru, this day, Guru Purnima day, is very important and auspicious and energetic for all of us. We're gonna pray greet to our Guru. That means to Sri Swami Samartha Maharaj and to Sri Datta Guru. Yes. On the evidence and on the occasion of this day, Guru Purnima's day, we're gonna learn 7-day powerful manifestation of Sri Swami Samartha Maharaj. This manifestation you can do by doing Sankalpa and Kalash Puja Mani, or you can do it just by with fulfillment of your secret wishes, or normally also you can do this 7-day manifestation. This 7-day manifestation is nothing but the powerful upasana or powerful pray, powerful parayan of Sri Swami Samartha Maharaj. Yes. What you're gonna do for this 7-day manifestation? See, since 4th of July 2025 to 10th of July 2025, you need to read, recite, or listen Sri Swami Charitra Saramrut for 7 days. Yes. Sri Swami Charitra Saramrut, there are 21 adhyay of Swami Maharaj. Yes. 21 adhyay are nothing but 21 parts or 21 lessons of Sri Swami Charitra Saramrut. So what you need to do, since 4th of July, you need to start your manifestation or your parayan, and you need to end at 10th of July 25. So, since 4th of July to 10th of July 2025, you need to read three parts or three adhyayas of Sri Swami Charitra Saramrut, and every day three adhyay you need to read for 7 days, and you'll complete on 20th of July 2025 the 21st adhyay or 21st part or 21st lessons of Sri Swami Charitra Saramrut. Yes. In this way, every day three parts or every day three you need to read from Sri Swami Charitra Saramrut, and you need to complete or finish this 21 adhyayas of Sri Swami Charitra Saramrut on 10th of July 2025. Yes, you can do these special manifestation to complete or fulfill your secret wish, any kind of wish regarding your job, business, money, loan, kids, marriage, or any other secret wish you need to ask to Swami or Sri Datta Guru, and you need to ask him by doing Sankalpa. We have learned how to do Sankalpa in our other videos of Infogosomia channel, but briefly I'm gonna tell you how to do Sankalpa. See, on 4th of July 2025, get up early in the morning, finish your everyday work, take a fresh bath, do your daily upasana, daily pray of God. Then you need to sit in front of Swami Samartha Maharaj photo murti, or in front of Sri Datta Guru Maharaj photo or murti, or into Devghara or Puja Ghara you can sit down, or you can sit on a calm and peaceful place, and there you need to just your mind calm, and what you need to do, you need to take raw rice in your right hand and one small dish or tamana you need to take and some fresh water you need to take. After taking these three things, sit properly on a calm place or in a puja ghar or in a dev ghar or in front of Swami or Datta Guru. And you need to pray dedicatedly to Swami and Datta Guru. You need to pray dedicatedly upon feet of Swami Samartha Maharaj or upon feet of Sri Datta Guru. What you need to do? You need to take that raw rice into your right hand. Then you need to pray one special message. Hey Sri Ganesh, hey Sri Swami Samartha Maharaj, hey Sri Datta Guru, I am doing your 7-day special manifestation of Sri Swami Charitra Saramrita upon the evidence or occasion of Sri Guru Purnima. Till then, you complete my secret wish, and that wish you need to tell at the same time while telling this special message. Please complete my secret wish and please remove all negative effects and bad time from my life. Please give me positive energy and positive blessings. Please give me good health and good wealth to me, to my family and to my friends. And please complete my secret wish. And that wish you need to tell to Swami and Sri Datta Guru. After that, you need to put 3 times water on that raw rice and just put that raw rice into that tamana or dish by just pouring water on that raw rice. Open your hand and just pour water on that raw rice by telling your secret wish and doing pray to Swami and Datta Guru's feet. And then you need to ask him blessings. Then dedicatedly you need to pray on upon Swami's and Datta Guru's feet, greet them on their feet, and just put that dish aside. After that, pray to Ganesh, pray to your Kula Devata, Kula Swamini of your house or your family, and pray to Swami Datta Guru that I'm starting your 7-day Swami Samarth Maharaj, Swami Charitra Saramrut. Please accept upon your feet, bless me and complete my secret wish. Give me good health and good wealth. And you need to read first 3 parts or 3 adhyaya of Swami Charitra Saramrut. And one by one, you need to complete 21 adhyaya in this 7 day from 4th of July 2025 till 10th of July 20. Every day, 3 parts of Swami Charitra Saramrut you need to read, or recite, or listen. Then on 10th of July 2025, you need to you need to do samapti of this your manifestation or parayana or upasana. Just asking Swami your secret wish again, telling him, please complete my secret wish and accept this manifestation upon this day of Guru Purnima. Just offer him prasad, bhog or sweet food, sweet fruits, and offer them flowers every day to Swami Datta Guru photo or murti. And in this way, you need to complete your Swami Charitra Saramrut 7-day manifestation upon the feet of Sri Swami Samartha Maharaj or upon the feet of Sri Datta Guru. Then you need to go temple and take some darshana or to see Swami and Datta. You can go at any temple of Swami Samartha Maharaj or Sri Datta Guru. Or if you're living outside of India, just go to any temple and just take darshan or just to see God and just greet them upon their feet and just pray there by sitting and telling them, I have completed Sri Swami Samartha Maharaj 7-day powerful manifestation of Swami Charitra. Please accept God and bless me. In this way, you need to finish or complete this 7-day manifestation of Sri Swami Samartha Maharaj Swami Charitra Saramrut. This manifestation don't have any rule, just you need to complete this manifestation in between 7 days and just follow time. Just put one time, morning time in between 7 to 10. Okay, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. In between this time, you need to read this everyday 3 adhyaya of Swami Charitra Saramrut. Just don't change time, don't change your place. Put one place and one time for 7 days, and in this 7 day, complete this 21 adhyaya or 21 parts of Swami Charitra Saramrut. Every day offer Swami flowers and decorations, sweet fruit, like bhog, prasad, nevedya, sweet food you can offer, and last day you need to do samapti, udyapan. For this manifestation, you can do kalash mandni also. If you know how to do kalash mandni or choki, if you know how to put a choki, you can do that kalash mandni or choki just last day of samapti or completion day on the day of Guru Purnima. What you need to do? You need to do puja of that choki and just that other things like flowers and coconut. The coconut means nariyal and all these things you need to you need to pour into water or river. Okay, wherever you are living in nearby area, you need to just pour that nirmalya or that flowers or any kind of coconut nariyal. You need to just throw it, or you just need to pour it into river or such a kind of water, which water keep moving from one place to other. Just don't put that nariyal or coconut into your house if you put a kalash mani and if you're doing a sankalpa. And that sankalpa water which you're gonna do for first day on 4th of July, you need to offer that water upon trees or on the roots of trees. Just don't offer that water upon tulsi, just other trees you can offer that. If you're living outside of India, you can do this manifestation parayan or upasana just by going one temple and sitting there in a temple atmosphere. You can read, recite, or listen this Swami Charitra Saramru's 3 adhyaya for 7 days till when the Guru Purnima falls, which is on 10th of July 2025. And just keep asking Swami blessing and to remove your negative bad effects, bad karma, and just ask him blessing and just ask him protection, good health, good wealth, and just ask Swami to stay with us forever and say, Swami, please, Swami, complete my secret wish, and Swami, please do Ashakya Shakya. This Ashakya Shakya is a special breed or special message of Sri Swami Samartha Maharaj, which he keeps saying to his every devotee. He is a very, very strong deity in our Hindu culture, Swami and Datta Guru. We know Swami is a form of Sri Datta Guru, and Datta Guru is a fast for fulfill secret wishes completely. He just complete our secret wishes very, very fastly. That's why we need to pray Swami and Datta Guru very, very dedicatedly upon their feet. So friends, I hope you come to know how to do 7-day powerful manifestation of Sri Swami Samartha Maharaj, Swami Charitra Saramrut, and you're gonna do this from 4th of July 2025 to 10th of July 25. And on Guru Purnima, just stay calm, stay reciting, reading of Swami's name, do Namasmarana of Swami Samartha Maharaj or Sri Datta Guru, and just help needy people, poor people, offer food, fruits to poor people or to friends, or just offer food whomever coming at your house. Just welcome them with good gesture, with soft words, and just be ready to help others. Swami like kind nature. Swami like such a kind of nature, like happy nature, kind nature, and innocent nature. Swami like. So if you stay innocent and true in your life, Swami easily get blessed, and he just help us to get out from our problems. So friends, if you're having any other questions regarding this manifestation, then do comment me in a comment box. And if you need any kind of other help or any other doubts you're having, then also comment me in a comment box. Ask questions in the comment box. And if you're having any your channel and you want to do promotion of your channel, then send your channel name, channel link, and channel description in the comment box. I'll promote your channel on Infobot Swami channel. So friends, let's end today's topic, and we'll see you in the next video with new information. Till then, bye bye for now, and Sri Swami Samartha.